Hello and welcome to Orbiting Rick. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of the Super Orbital Transport from Estes. So yeah, this is a level 4 difficulty kit, and the special thing about it is it has this detachable glider, which at apogee when the the glider detaches from the main vehicle and glides back down. So the painting for this is actually very simple. The majority of the vehicle is white. That includes glider. But there's some black in these fake engines. The majority of the detail comes from the decals. So yeah, you have a decal for those windows in the cockpit. And then these long decals on the sides. This decal on top of the motor mount. And some decals on the tail fins. Also, there's a few decals. There's 2 decals on the bottom that cover the underneath of the fake engine mounts. Now for the glider, again, windows on the cockpit, long decals on the side, some stuff afterward, some stuff at the back, and the tail fin. And now this flies on C motors, and the stick motors it flies on have a very long burn time, so a very low thrust. Low thrust at the low thrust during the burn. So apparently it has a realistic ascent. I haven't tested this rocket yet, so I'll probably have to make an update to this video later. Also, another thing I haven't tested is it's a very aerodynamically complex vehicle. Yes, sir, just by itself. We have some small, the small rocket return for these would be wings, I believe. But there's some small canard type things up towards the front. We would have these much larger, they would be wings with their fins. So yeah, sure, yeah, the main vehicle would definitely be aerodynamically stable. But when you put the glider on, if I can get the glider attachment, the glider has this little dowel on it, which goes into this launch lug at the top. So when you have the glider attached, I mean, yeah, sure, I think it's a very interesting shape. So I don't know, I haven't seen how stable it will be. I know Estes, they definitely tested it, and if it didn't fly well, they wouldn't be selling it. This is going into just So something kind of happened when I was building mine, and this, if you build yours correctly, this won't happen. We accidentally so the main vehicle is made of 2 body tubes, and the coupler you're supposed to use, we kind of accidentally pushed it into one of the body tubes all the way and just weren't able to use it, so we had to use an improvised cup made from prescription pill bottles, which that might mess with the center of mass and might mean that's unstable. So, well, that's just something I did by mistake. If you build yours correctly, that won't happen. So overall, I say it's a really nice looking kit. And also, so the main vehicle is recovered via parachute, which so the other thing, I kind of used the Kevlar shock cord instead, and just basically, like, the actual thing has a elastic shock cord, and we used the same parachute, which yeah. It's a pretty standard parachute. I don't think you need to see it specifically. Yeah, I really like how this kit looks. So yeah, I would recommend getting it just because of how it looks, and also because it has a glider. Now, it did take a while to assemble, because yeah, it's a difficulty 4 kit. Yeah, I still recommend it. I want to thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and goodbye.